Some sounds define the war. Echoes of steel, fire, and fear. Still unforgettable. Top 5 World War II sounds. Number 5, M1 Grand Ping. One shot, one ping. Freedom echoed. Number 4, MG42 Burst, the Hitler's buzzsaw. 1,200 rounds per minute. Pure fear. Number 3, Katyusha rockets, the Stalin's organ. A rising howl, then thunder. Number 2, V1 flying bomb, the buzz of death. When it stopped, run. Number 1, Stuka dive siren. The sound of terror from above. Which one gave you chills? Comment your number 1.